This next plugin allows you to search and transcribe YouTube videos straight from ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and enable Vox Script. Now, I used my favorite prompt here. Please bullet point all the uses and functionality of the plugin Vox Script and give me a little explanation on how to best use and get the most use out of this plugin. And to my surprise, because I have primarily used this for transcribing and searching YouTube videos, Vox Script has a really wide and varied abilities here. So you can do a lot with this plugin. But we're going to focus on searching for YouTube videos and transcribing YouTube videos because I believe that you can achieve the results from these other functions better with different plugins and different uses. But I just want you to be aware of all that really is possible. Searching Google, searching DuckDuckGo, you can get the time, you can get feedback, you can get content from all these different websites, you can get news for specific equities or cryptocurrency tickers, you can get information about specific US equities, so on and so forth. And really, this is a very robust and powerful plugin. But for the purposes of what I think this is best used for, let's go ahead and use its own language here and search YouTube videos for the best ChatGPT plugins. And here we go. It gives us a list of 5 with clickable links at the bottom, clickable links in each one, and it gives us a description, the views, and the duration. I went ahead and asked, search YouTube videos for TED Talks on public speaking. And it gave us some different options here with the description, the views, and the duration. Now that we had a video I was kind of interested in, the skill of self-confidence sounded interesting, has almost 30 million views, so let's go ahead and explore this a little further. I clicked on this link, which took us to YouTube, copied it, and pasted it back into ChatGPT with saying, get YouTube video data. This gives us a more comprehensive breakdown about what's going on in this video. It tells us the channel ID, the video title, the description, when it was uploaded, duration, number of views, and the SEO tag. So this is really interesting, as well as a little blurb on the bottom describing what it is. So this gives us a lot more information. And if we were a content creator or making YouTube videos, we would want to know the SEO tags and all this relevant information. Next, we can try its own language was get next YouTube transcript chunked, which started to give us a transcript of this YouTube video here. But I found this to be more successful when I said summarize this video. This language here gave me the answer that I really wanted, which really broke the video down to the 3 key principles referred to as the 3 A's of public speaking and went on to explain them here. If we wanted to elaborate further on this, we could ask, please give me some more information about this video or a specific question we had in mind to see if that was in the video. We could ask ChatGPT, but you can see how quickly you are able to sort through all of YouTube and just get the bullet points of the information that you're actually looking for.